How many are there in a set? 5?
This is a
15.
15-piece set.
Wow. But in
So,
the picture, it only shows.
well, it's
Ah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
hindi ko pala to na vlog, guys. Look. Binili ng asawa ko. Nung nagpunta kami HEB, nakita ko to. And I said, hala, ito yung flowers, ano ba, sa Manila. Yung mall, big mall doon, nung Christmas. Ang ganda. Pag maraming ganito, so bumili ako isa. Oh, di ba? Nice. Ay, hindi ko alam. I forgot the name of this. It's holiday today. Thanksgiving here in the USA. It will be my first time, guys. So, yung asawa ko alis ulit. Kasi kahapon, yesterday, we went to Walmart. Nagpunta kaming HEB pala nung nakaraan pa kasi bumili kami ng turkey. Turkey? Yeah, turkey. This will be my first time to try baking or cooking a turkey. Well, my husband will cook. I'll just look. Kasi hindi ko alam paano lutuin yung turkey, guys. Walang turkey sa Pinas. Or maybe meron pero hindi talaga siya like it's not common in the Philippines ba, turkey. We don't have Thanksgiving in the Philippines. Well, some people celebrate Thanksgiving, but like for Filipinos, no, we don't celebrate Thanksgiving. Yung iba nag-celebrate kasi may asawa silang foreign. But yeah, today is Thursday, November 27, if I'm not mistaken. 28 ay. No, it's November 28. 10:30. So, andito yung turkey ko. Nilabas ng asawa ko kanina, guys. Binili namin yung pinakamaliit na turkey. Why? Because sabi ko sa kanya, we don't need a big one. Kasi baka hindi ako kakain or baka hindi ko magustuhan, whatever. But I think it will taste like chicken lang siguro eh. Ito yung turkey namin, oh. Pinakamaliit na turkey na nakita namin sa store nung nagpunta kami HEB. But this is better choice kasi ayoko magsayang in case hindi namin magustuhan. Uy, naunsa mo na itong ref. Nga may naghawid ugog kamot. Punta kami kahapon sa Walmart. Bumili kaming pecan pie. Pumpkin pie. Hindi ako familiar ng mga pie na to, guys. But sabi ng asawa ko, try mo. First time mo mag-Thanksgiving here. Susubukan mo. Well, let's try. Kasi hindi ko pa naman na-try talaga na Thanksgiving. So this will be our first. And at the same time, yung mga kids as well. Sige na, Nicole, Ashley, come here. You have to... Ano na? We will just get flour and celery kasi yun yung nakalimutan namin bilhin yesterday. Nakapag-upload na pala ako ng house tour natin, guys, kagabi. And I'm glad you like the house tour. Although, yun nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung mga gamit na andoon, hindi talaga sa amin yun. Lucky if they are going to give us few of them, but no, I think not. Pang housewarming ba? Pang housewarming. Ang dami ko ng mga iniisip kung anong gagawin namin sa bahay, and I'm so very thankful talaga yung asawa ko. Yung bahay na binili namin, he keep telling me na para sa akin talaga yun. He's kind of person na ahead talaga yung iniisip, like 20 years from now, 30 years from now, yung mga ganun ba. So, yeah, and we don't like moving again and again and again. So, that's why we decided kunin na natin yung house na parang, yun na yun, that's it. May nagtatanong about, ay not a tatanong, well, statement ba like about me working. Didn't really close that idea of me working in the future. But he said kasi pag magka-green card na daw ako, mag-work daw ako para makapag-share. Of course, mayroon akong thought na ganyan. But then yung asawa ko kasi, guys, he would rather have me at home. Like, taking good care of the kids. Ang liliit pa ng anak namin. I mean, like, kids, him, the house. Keep the house tidy. And okay naman kami, guys, when it comes to, like, yung needs namin, yung bills, kayang-kaya pa namin. I mean, kayang-kaya pa ng asawa ko ma-provide. Oh, you're so sexy. Can you stay 10 seconds?
Huh?
10 seconds. Igarang buwan. Ina,
What?
ano mag-jeans man ka? Mura na siya matugon eh.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
People are gonna think I beat you up.
Never. Have you ever lend a hand?
Seriously?
Just kidding. Wala. Wala. Nothing. We've been together for like 4 years more. 5? Well, I
since
counted
we
the
met.
time that we are LDR. Since we've met, that was 2022. 23, 24. Ooh, mag 3 years.
2020. So,
No, I mean like,
well, we met in person in 2022.
yeah, if it's
So,
like,
2.5 years.
since we started writing each other LDR during the COVID thing, it's almost 5 years na kami.
Almost 3 years.
Almost 3 years that we already met, like met in person.
Because we met in February 2022.
Yeah. O, diba? Marami kami buwang, guys.
That's almost 2025.
People think we are a very perfect couple.
Okay.
You keep saying, you keep saying almost perfect. Do we have some times that we disagree things?
Oh, never.
Oh, never! Liar. We do.
Maybe now and then.
Yeah, that's just normal naman yun. Salarin. Anong oras natulog kagabi? 12. Gisapot ko, nakatulog na ako, guys. And then, like, dagkang mga siwit-siwit. I was like, what the? People need sleep. Ang daddy po, dugay po kayo natulog. Oo, musundog mo, bata man mo. That's why nga, this is what I really am thankful na talaga pag nasa kabilang bahay na kami, guys. Kaya nga, no, they will have their separate room. So, wala na silang chika-chika. Kaya pag they are sleeping together in one room, ay, ginoo ko. They will be like, they keep talking non-stop. Daig pa nito mga maritis, nito mga batang to. Yasli, get up, please. Then, eat. Nai bread, nai egg. Put that away, okay? Daddy and I will be going to HEB. Ayaw nagkuyog para makakaon. Namuha pa makaon. It's very cold outside.
This is open right now.
Bili kaming celery, guys. Bibili kaming celery. Ang laki ng celery nila dito. Pero $1. Ito isa, 3. Maliit pero $3. Dito na tayo sa $1.
I mean, it's already lunchtime.
More eggs, more protein. Yeah, she. I'll just leave this apart. We don't have dishes. Okay.
Put this somewhere where it won't get wet.
So, lalagyan daw ng celery, onion, and flour. Bakit lalagyan ng flour? Our chef for today. I'm gonna taste his
Whoops.
cooking. Chef Bell. I'll just look so that next Thanksgiving I will do it myself.
Oh.
Yes, babe. I know. I want to smell this. Oh. I think I smell it somewhere. A powdery thing. Mabango nga. Mom says that you're a good cook daw. Allah!
Where she got that idea?
She said it, man, when we were there and visit her. Kitaan mo ako, babe. Show me your skills. You're just hiding it. Bili pala kami ng mais. Pinakita ko ba ito kahapon, guys? Hindi ako grocery haul. Nagpunta ka kami palang Walmart yesterday. Sabi ko, bili tayo ng mais. Ibo-boiled ko siya. Pwede naman ata tulutuin sa microwave or sa air fryer. May nakita akong video about it. But, yeah, boiled lang na mais. Yan, guys. Oh. And then gagawa kami ng salad. Meron kami binili yesterday. Asa na yan? Ang salad and everything. Kamatis. Ay, gagawa siya dyan. Gagawa din ako ng salad. We don't really have to like make a lot kasi kami lang apat guys. Wala kaming bisita.
You can put that away.
It looks so attractive to see a man cook. Yeah. Very handsome. More handsome than the man cook. Sorry, what did you say? Huh? Are you crying? Are you okay, Kali? Are you okay? Wawa naman yung Kali, oy. What's siya, may eat? No, nagkaon man, hurot man yung food. So nice to see our kitchen. Like, the previous cabinet was brown and now, tingnan nyo kung lakas maka-modern ng color ng aming kitchen, guys. Ay, ganun pala yan. Lagyan ng oil. Okay. Titingin lang ako kasi hindi talaga ako marunong magluto ng turkey. He's just introducing me. My husband introduced me.
Where'd you put the flour?
Here, babe. I know everybody is celebrating na. Hindi ko alam. I think yung iba is dinner time, yung kanilang Thanksgiving. But kami, ang ginagawa namin guys is in between lunch and dinner. Para isang kainan na lang. Hindi na kami kakain mamaya. Pag busog na kami, makapag-relax na ang lahat. And then watch Netflix and everything. It's just like something na parang here, if you are like close to your family, gather together. But since wala kaming closer family here, so kami lang talagang apat. So just the 4 of us for this Thanksgiving. But it's just like eating all together para namang hindi kami kumakain. Para namang hindi kumakain together. But we will just celebrate it because it is part of, you know, like culture here in the US to celebrate the Thanksgiving. So yeah, I think turkey, it's almost cooked na. Like 8 minutes to go. So, kanina pa yan mga 2 hours and 30 minutes na naka-bake. So, ang gagawin ko guys, tatapusin ko yung ating, luto na rin yung ating mais. Hinati ko siya into half. Ayan. And then, I was making beans as well. May niluto akong beans guys. And then, yung shrimp pala, so sakala ko yung shrimp na binili ng asawa ko, yung hindi pa cook ba? So, I was like thinking of cooking it, and then I realized when I read the label, luto na pala siya guys. So, hindi ko na yan lulutuin. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is, tatapusin ko na yung ating salad. I-mix na natin yung ating salad. Andito lahat yung mga nilagay ko guys. Yung lettuce, meron tayong onion, meron tayong tomato, meron tayong green bell pepper, meron tayong cucumber. And then we will be adding chicken as well. Niluto ko na yung chicken sa top. And then lagyan natin ng dressing. And then meron tayong corn. Yung isa, kinuha ko lang yung corn dyan. Nilalagay ko dito para ma-mix natin. Kasi may nakita akong corn. Kumain ako doon sa Chili's. Ay, ang sarap. Promise, masarap siya. That's how it looks like. Some people are like deep fry it. Deep fry. Huh? Deep fry. What are you looking? So, ito na guys. Nilabas na siya. You think? Sana same siya ng taste ng chicken. I hope so. Same taste ng chicken. Ooh. Turkey. This will be like 1 week food supply. Very soft.
Yeah.
Oops.
Well, that's just,
Hindi na namin magawa yung
that's
buo
just
guys.
falling off the bone.
It's okay, but
Yeah.
sorry.
I mean, I'm sure you guys probably like dark meat.
Hey. So, ito na yung turkey natin guys. Turkey. I wanna touch. Looks like chicken. Wow, very soft good siya. Tanggal good siya.
Mashed
Let's eat! Mashed potato, yeah. Mashed potato.
Nanay, yung nasa eskwelahan.
Turkey. Kasi yung malaking turkey, hindi na namin nilagay, guys. Andoon.
Guys. Kung kaon
So, here's our food. Meron kaming
Kuan ako.
pie. O, kauna. And then, I know what you want, corn. Yan, guys. And then shrimp, turkey.
Balatong?
And then salad. Very simple. Yeah, beans.
Balatong.
Yeah, beans. Dili balatong beans. Something kind of beans. Yes, lami ang turkey. I tasted it. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody! First time kong kakain ng mashed potato na may butter. And I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but I'll
Nakaingon
try.
ko. Eskwelahan ka. Nakaingon ko ice cream na.
What do you mean? This one? I can nag-serve sila sa school?
Nakaingon ko ice cream. So, pag wala ang good.
Agree.
Nariyos na ko dito ice cream.
All right, plates.
This is the culture here. Papalit ko. I'm
All
gonna
right,
buy that.
you want dark meat or white meat?
Dark.
Dark.
This will be their first time to eat turkey.
Okay.
Me as well. Do not put a lot, babe. Just let them try.
Okay.
Oh, here.
You want the wing? Who wants the wing?
Daddy's the chef today. So siya yung nagsiserve sa amin. Yashley was already like, I'm gonna cry.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna cry.
You giving this to her?
Thank you.
I need her plate.
Come
babe.
on, please. Just give her a little so she can. It's a chicken. Tastes like chicken.
Sulay dito.
Oh, gitalawan ako ganiha.
So, second time,
That's it lang, babe. Enough. So she can try lang.
All right.
Okay. Try. See? It's just a chicken. Ayaw talaga niya, guys. How was your first turkey?
want her to lie? Jeez.
I don't want her to lie. Just tell me the truth. How was your first turkey?
You know she just wants rice and fish.
Not fish. Not even fish. Just
Tambulan.
just bulad. How was your first turkey?
Kanoodon ko.
Huh?
Wala.
You're not into it as well? No, it tastes like chicken lang, but I think Daddy cook it differently. Maglalasing kami today.
It's so nice, di ba?
Happy Thanksgiving. Have you seen me drunk?
Di na akong giingon. Lahim na akong giingon.
Yes, I'm sure they have.
No.
Wala.
Huh? What's
No.
that guy?
Have you seen me drunk?
Atong gabi ka bijuki.
Ay, oh.
When?
I remember.
May adto ko dito. Ngay
Bastos
ko
ni mga bataan.
ngay ko 5. Sa iyo ko kirta ka bro.
Basta mabubog si mama. Basta hubog siya kay.
That was in Ati and Bijuke karaoke
English.
together. Yeah, for sure.
That
was normal.
Beer.
Have you seen me drunk?
No.
Because have you seen me drink?
Drink what?
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
No. Wala.
Hindi raw.
Wala. Ako pa gani ang nahubog. Flying from the Philippines.
It's not because I don't drink. I just don't have the need to drink. Every once in a while.
You have to avoid because you have to
Maybe.
take good care of me when I'm drunk.
Okay. Alo na tayo.
Just kidding. People will say like, kabayhan na ka.
Let's drink adult things.
I'm not really a drunkard.
Drunkard?
Not even. Oh, my tummy started to like kicking in with this. Don't try this.
Hubog na ka ma. Yung na.
I'm not.
Don't try it at all.
Cheers.
Guys,
You know how
I
many...
need a Coke. Pait na kayo.
Here. Do things that you'll regret.
Oh, advice coming from Daddy, from my husband.
Okay, pag
Alcohol. What did you say?
leads to bad decisions.
Alcohol leads to bad decisions. So, I know you guys will agree. Katong mga daghang mistakes sa kinabuhi, you know what it means. I don't need fireplace. Meron pala YouTube na pang fireplace, guys. So, when we are putting our Christmas tree on, gagamit tayo ng ganito. Di ba? Pang background ba? Maganda. Feels like meron kang fireplace. Di ba?
Andel mo anak ko.
Until ikuha ng remote, di nakita na no YouTube day siya. This is pecan pie. I wanna try this pecan pie. I'm talking to my sister.
Pingragunta na siya.
Okay, let me see if it's good. Let's try. Mura lagi. What's it? The yellow one. What's this?
That's pecan pie.
It's good.
It's very sweet.
It's good. Let me try.
It's better when you warm it up and put a little ice cream on it.
After the lafang, wala na ganang manglihok, guys. Gipang kapoy. Tapos na rin kausap yung kapatid ko, guys. Anong oras na? It's 6 p.m. So, time to hugas-hugas na. Actually, nag-start ako kanina nung kausap ko yung kapatid ko, but I stopped nung pumunta akong CR. So, tapusin natin to. Lagay natin to lahat para mahugasan na. Para makatulog na. Kasi tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is, dito, like, Black Friday. So, mga tindahan tomorrow, maraming nakasale tomorrow, guys. So, shopping day. Shopping day tomorrow. Pero pag wala tayong pera, stay at home na lang tayo tomorrow. No, pero parang alis ata kami tomorrow. Alis ata kami tomorrow, guys. Parang bibili na namin yung kailangan namin para sa bagong house. Oh my goodness. Napuno na here. Hugas time. Kanina sobrang puno tong namin, guys. Kitchen ng mga kung anik-anik. Pero naano ko na siya. Nalinisan ko na sa konti na lang. Tatapusin ko na lang ito. Movie time. No, Netflix time, guys. Napagod na ako. Gusto ko nang matulog talaga.